Well, it's Thursday night, and some storms have been predicted for tonight, and by the looks of this, we might actually get some. Have a look at the ground, it's dry as. Well, the predictions are pretty right. It's belting down. Still very warm though here in Townsville. Well, it's now a few days later, and bit of rain. Had a few more storms as well after that one. We're actually getting some green coming along. First time I've seen this spot with any green on it. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit of excitement. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, give us a like. Catch you next time. Bye.